Okay, ji everyone. Exercise 15A, chapter number 15, statistical data handling. Okay. Question number 1, everyone. Question number 1. ठीक है, चलें जी. The pictogram illustrate the number of buses registered with the registry of vehicle each year from 2008 to 2012. Number of buses and number of years are here. As you can see that number of years are here and number of registered buses are over here. ठीक है. Each bus represent 40,000 buses. No, beta, only you have to copy these parts 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Heather? Okay, ji. Each bus represent 40,000 buses. ठीक है. इस क्वेश्चन में आपके पास सिंपल क्या दिया हुआ है, आपके पास नंबर ऑफ बसेस दी हुई हैं जो रजिस्टर्ड हुई हैं ईच ईयर. क्लियर हो गई बात. एंड वन बस इज इक्वल्स टू 40,000 buses. Okay, everyone? Okay. Now, what you have to do? Okay, ji. In which year was the greatest number of buses registered? Estimate the number of buses registered in that year. Can anyone tell me in which year the number of buses registered are the greatest? Yes, Sana?
Miss 2012.
Okay, and how many number of buses are there? Can you please count this?
Miss 6.5 and then we will multiply it with 40,000.
Very good. Count, multiply kare and tell me the answer.
Miss 260,000.
Very, very good. 260,000 buses is the answer of part I, everyone. ठीक है. आप इस तरीके से लिखेंगे. Wait, I will let you know how to write the answer. Then you can write the answer. Okay, everyone. अभी सिर्फ हम इसके answers हम find out कर लेंगे. Then I will tell you how to write the answers. Okay, everyone. ठीक है. Okay. Estimate the total number of buses registered from 2008 to 2012. How can you estimate the total number of buses registered from 2008 to 2012? Heather, can you please tell me? 2008 से लेकर 2012 तक कितनी buses total registered हुई हैं? How can we find the total number of buses? Zanan, can you please tell me?
मिस एक बज मिस 40,000 मिस करती है मिस. हम सबको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो मिस 40,000 से मिस आंसर आ जाएगा.
Okay, first of all, you have to find how many buses are there. Then you have to multiply with 40,000. कैसे? 1, 2, 3, ठीक है. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 20, 22, 23, 24. 24 buses are there. You have to multiply 24 with 40,000 and then you can easily find out the answer of buses. Okay. Very good, Zanan. Very good. Okay. Okay, ji. I part. In which year was the greatest number of buses registered? Estimate the number of buses registered in that year. Okay, ji. Now, how can you write your answer? The greatest number of buses registered was in 2012, like this. You have to write properly because you are answering this part, so you cannot write just 2012. You have to write the proper statement. Okay, and next, what they asked, number of buses. Number of buses registered in 2012 is equals to 6.5 multiplied by 40,000. This is the proper way to write your answer. Okay, now the statement is here. 260,000 buses were registered in 2012.
मिस ये पहले पार्ट का आंसर है क्या दूसरे?
Beta part I, first part. Done, everyone?
Miss 1 minute. Miss done.
Good. चलें जी, कुछ part 2 everyone. Part 2 में क्या दिया हुआ है? What we have in part 2? Estimate the total number of buses registered from 2008 to 2012. We have to estimate the total number of buses registered from 2008 to 2012. So what we have to do? We have to write total number of buses registered from 2008 to 2012 You have to count each and every bus. ये देखें 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 12 20 21 22 23. We count these half of buses like 23, and these two half buses 24. So how many buses are there? 24 buses. Multiply by 40,000. So the answer will be 9,600,000 is the answer. So the total number, oh sorry, 96,000 total number of buses registered from 2008 to 2012.
It's because there are four buses and one bus is half.
Very good. And why 40,000?
Because each bus contains 40,000.
Very, very good. And why I write $1,000 over here? Because amount of registry of vehicle of each bus is equals to $1,000. Okay. Now, please find the product of these values and tell me the answer. Dollar. Manur, what is the answer? Dollar.
Miss,
One.
180.
180.
Yes, this is 100,000. Yes, that's it.
Very good. Very good. Challenging. Total amount of registry total amount the registry of vehicle in 2010 was $180 million, because we have 6 zeros, so it's million. $180 million. Okay, this is the answer of part 3, everyone. If you know how to read pictogram, you can easily find out each and everything. Anas, you understand this part, Butta?
Yes, miss.
Very good. Everyone, why your cameras are closed? What's the reason? Please open your cameras, every single one. Hurry up. Open your cameras, everyone. Otherwise, I will remove you from my class after this. Okay, ji. Part 4, everyone. Estimate the percentage increase in the number of buses registered from 2011 to 2012. Okay, ji. What you have to do, you have to find the percentage increase in the number of buses registered from 2011 to 2012. So what are the number increase in both the year? Can anyone tell me? How many buses are increased from 2011 to 2012? Can
Miss
anyone tell me?
1.5. 1.5.
1.5. 1.5. It's only one, Manur.
Yes, Miss.
It's
1.
only one, beta. Only one. Okay. So estimate the percentage. Estimate the percentage increase in the number of buses registered from 2011 to 2012. Okay. So how can we find out? What we have to do? Okay. Percentage. Very good, Anas. Percentage increase in number of buses registered from 2011 to 2012. Okay, ji. Part 4, everyone. Percentage increase in numbers of buses registered from 2011 to 2012. So the increased number is 1. Only one bus is increased from 2012, 2011 to 2012. As you can see that. Everyone see this? Only one bus is increased in 2012. Okay. ठीक है. Okay. 5.5 is the number of buses in 2011. Multiply by 100%. ठीक है. Okay जी, चलिए इसको सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. Like this. Okay जी. What is the answer? How can we solve this? 1 upon 5.5 multiply by 100%. ठीक है. Can I remove this point from here? Yes, we can. So 1000% divided by 55. Is that right, everyone? चलें जी. Now we can simplify this. चलें इसको simplify कर लेते हैं. How? 5 के टेबल से इसको कैंसिल करते हैं. 11 and 200. So 200 divided by 11%. Can we simplify this more? No, we cannot. So what we have to do, we have to change this thing into whole. So हम इसको whole में change कर देते हैं. 11 1 11 90. ठीक है. 8 88 minus 2. Okay, Zanan beta. Okay, so your answer is 11 18 2%. You understand this, beta? Everyone? Sana? Good.
मिस ये मतलब मिस क्वेश्चन कौन सा है मिस ये तो होता है मिस क्वेश्चन 1 ही है ना मिस
First page. The table shows the number of students who play volleyball, basketball, and tennis respectively. The table shows the number of students who play volleyball, basketball, and tennis respectively. Okay, how many students play volleyball? 40, basketball 60, and tennis 50. ठीक है? Okay, ji, complete the pictogram. You have to complete the pictogram as well, okay? Okay, students who play volleyball, basket, and tennis, each circle represent 10 students. That's mean you have, if this circle is called 10 students, so you have to make 3 more for to make it 40 students like this. Wait, I will show you. Like this, everyone. It's volleyball, and volleyball, how many students play volleyball? 40, right? And they just make one ball, and one ball is equals to 10 students. So you have to make 3 more to make it 40. 10 20 30 40 like this. Okay, everyone, like this.
मिस हमें बॉल बनानी है.
Yes, you have to complete the pictogram in your first part. Okay, and second one is basketball. How many students play basketball? Can you please tell me?
60.
60.
We have to
Very
make
good. So one ball is already is
miss-
there, and you have to make 5 more balls. But wait, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. You have to complete the pictogram like this properly, okay? And in tennis also, there is one ball, you have to make 4 or more. So it's a 50 ball like this. Okay, everyone, you have to complete the pictogram like this first. Yes, Manur.
Miss?
Miss, do we have to complete the pictogram in copy or book? Do we have to complete the pictogram?
Okay, ji. Part B is find the ratio of the number of students who play volleyball to the number of students who play tennis. Okay, ji. So how can you write number of volleyball and number of, very good, Zanan, your answer is correct, number of tennis. So you have to write volleyball is equals to 40 ratio 50. So your answer will be 4 ratio 5. Part B, everyone. It's very, very easy. 5 ratio, yes. You can cut those zeros like this, and 5 ratio, 4 ratio 5 is your answer. Part B, everyone. Sakib, question number 2 is here, beta. I am doing question number 2 right now. Part I is here and part 2 is here. Okay, ji, part 3. In part 3, what we have express the number of students who play tennis as a percentage of that who play basketball. You have to find out the percentage. Okay. How can you write this? Always remember that the first thing is always numerator and the second thing is always in the denominator. The number of students who play tennis, टेनिस के जो भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं उसका हमेशा आप न्यूमरेटर में लिखोगे लाइक दिस 50 upon the number of students who play
Miss?
basketball 60
Miss?
multiply by 100%. Yes beta.
मिस हमें जो इनका स्टूडेंट्स टू द नंबर ऑफ मिस द स्टूडेंट्स हु प्ले वॉलीबॉल टू द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु प्ले टेनिस का मिस हमें 40 to 50 ऐसे बनाना है या मिस थोड़ा सा सिंपलीफाई भी करना है मिस इसको
बड़ा सिंपलीफाई भी करना है बिकॉज 40 रेशियो 50 को सिंपलीफाई करोगे तो 5 रेशियो 4 रेशियो 5 आ जाएगा सिंपल 0 0 कैंसिल हो जाएंगे आपके पास and 4 ratio 5 is your answer.
मिस तो 40 to 50 का 40 to 50 को सिंपलीफाई करना है मिस तो 10 से कर दो मिस तो उसमें सेम आ जाएगा
5 जा 6 जा जी जी बेटा आ जाएगा like this. Okay, 500% upon 6.
मतलब 500 रेशियो 6
जी जी बेटा जी जी 3 से कैंसिल कर दिया और ये आ गया आपके पास 250 2 के टेबल से मैंने इसको सिंप्लीफाई किया तो 250% अपॉन 3 आ गया आपके पास लाइक दिस बट यू कैन नॉट सिंप्लीफाई दिस फर्दर सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू आप इसका इसको चेंज कर लोगे लाइक दिस जी मेरा बेटा ये आ गया 3 9 सो हम इसको चेंज कर लेंगे इन योर 383 1 ratio is your answer. Okay, Question number 2 is done, everyone.
Miss,
Part 3. Yes, beta.
मिस अगर हमें डिवाइड नहीं